Hey there, it's Vicki Marie. I'm on my way to Walmart. Now, it is the day after the 4th of July. So I hope you had a happy 4th. This will probably go, I don't know when this is going to go out, in a day or two. But I hope you had a happy 4th of July weekend. John and I had a really quiet 4th of July because we have a party a couple days after the 4th. And this year it was on a Saturday. I'm in between. Tomorrow for us, I'm throwing a birthday party for John, and he's turning 60. So we're having a family over, and we're going to have a little backyard barbecue, and that's going to be our sort of 4th of July thing. We didn't really do much for the 4th. I've been getting ready and just kind of getting the backyard decorated and all of that. And so last night we were kind of sitting around, just John and me, and it was the 4th, and the fireworks. I've never seen fireworks ever like I did last night. And we live in a town where you're not supposed to light off fireworks that leave the ground, or you can do sparklers, and you can throw those little poppy things, that you throw on the ground and they pop. But you're not supposed to do anything that lights, that goes up in the air. And we have a couple of really nice displays that the town puts on, but nobody listens. Nobody does. And I don't think people even get in trouble, really, honestly. If they do, I sure don't hear about it. We had fireworks going off everywhere around our house, big fireworks. I've never seen. Now, we've always seen people do these they look like professional displays, really, but they're private people just doing this. But this year we saw several people, and it was a whole new level of fireworks. So I don't know. Let me know. Let me know how it was around your house. Now, little Roscoe, I'm glad we were home because the fireworks really get to our dog. But as long as we're home, he's okay with it. He just stayed close to us, and I actually went out. See, in the past when we've had a lot of people over for the 4th, what I've noticed, and I'm going to get on the road. I'm sorry about the background noise. Anyway, apologize for that. But in the past, when I've always been we've hosted, because we're always hosting the 4th of July thing. It's kind of been our tradition in our family that we hosted at our house because it falls so close to John's birthday. And so we just do the 4th of July. Well, I noticed in the past, I was always so busy working on the 4th of July, trying to get everything set up, that I don't think I ever really got to just kick back and I don't remember lighting fireworks. The kids always did that with John, and I was always kind of visiting with the rest of the family, and we were kind of sitting there watching John and the younger kids light the fireworks. And last night it was John and me, and I said, "Are you going to light fireworks?" And he said, "I don't think so." And I said, "I want to." So I actually lit some fireworks last night, and I realized it's been years since I actually lit any fireworks. I thought that was interesting because oh goodness, go ahead. I missed my turn. Just go ahead. I'm gonna come here. Yeah. All right. Anyway, they're doing some road construction here on this road I'm turning on. I'm heading to Walmart because I wanted to see if there's any after 4th of July sales. Since we're not having our big party until tomorrow, I might luck out and get a few extra little things. Nothing that I need at all, but I just wanted to get out of the house, actually, because I've been at home cleaning and doing all of that kind of stuff. And yeah, but anyway, I got to light fireworks last night, and I just realized I enjoyed it. I really enjoyed it. We didn't light a lot, but we lit quite, some. And then we just put on a movie, and but we had loud fireworks going off until about 1:30 in the morning. So we had to turn on some white noise to try to sleep. Oh, the road construction's all gone. This is the first time in weeks that I've been able to turn into the Walmart parking lot coming in this direction. They've just been doing all kinds of stuff here, lots of construction on the road. And it's the day after the 4th, and like there's not a whole lot of people here. See, I knew this was going to be a great idea. So I'm going to go in and just take a peek at what I might be able to get on the clearance rack for the 4th. One of the things I like to do is like I like to buy, if I'm going to buy a bunch of napkins, I always get I try to get solid if I get a bulk napkins. If like sometimes Sam's Club will offer that, I'll get a whole bunch of red ones for Christmas, because then you can kind of mix those for Valentine's Day, and you can also, oh goodness, mix them for Valentine's Day and then also for 4th of July. And then for green, you can do St. Patrick's Day and Christmas and kind of spring a little bit, and maybe even get away with Halloween, depending on your theme. So that's sort of what I like to do, but I did get a few extra little red, white, and blue napkins, for the 4th. And then my plan was to sort of mix those with the red ones. But then I looked in my stash, and I'm out of all my red napkins. So I might pick up some of that. I don't know. I'm just going to go in and see if there's anything on the clearance rack. So yeah, that's what I'm doing. I'll check back with you in a few minutes and just kind of show you if I end up buying anything. But yeah, let me know how your 4th went. And do you light fireworks? And I'm just realizing, like, this year I actually enjoyed lighting fireworks. Oh, what movie did we watch last night? In case you're wondering, it's an oldie but goodie that we had on DVD, and it's called Red, R-E-D, Red, with Bruce Willis, and we love that movie. So that's what we watched last night. And it kind of camouflaged all the noises, and Roscoe was very calm listening to the movie. So we actually watched that, and and then we tried to go to bed, and we couldn't sleep. So we turned on a documentary that we knew we'd both fall asleep to, and it worked. We both fell right asleep. So we let that run for about an hour, and finally about 2 o'clock this morning, we noticed it got quiet. So, all right, I'll be back in just a minute and just show you guys really quickly what I ended up getting at Walmart for 4th of July clearance. Hopefully they have something. This is what I got so far off the clearance rack. I have no idea what it is, but it was on the clearance rack here. And I love my fake plants. I'm going to check at the register, and we'll just see. And if it's not on clearance, I'm not going to get it. But so far, that's what I have. So let's see what else I can find here on the clearance rack. So this is all 4th of July stuff over here. And yep, there's some cute little glasses. I don't need any of that. They have some LED mini lights. And oh, the problem is I don't want to get carried away and get stuff I don't need. The wearable drink pouch. I don't think so. Anybody have these for the 4th? Somebody must have bought them. Oh, excuse me. All right, 50% off. Okay, I'm not seeing a ton of stuff. Those pinwheels, though, look pretty cool. There's garland. Right. I get some more garland. 50% off. Regularly, like $6.98. It's 50% off. Let's go this way. Oh, they have some cute little light up lights here. And they're 50%. If I had some kids coming over, I might do this, but technically it's not a 4th of July thing. But you know, I could pick them up for next year. But no, I'm not going to. Really nice big signs. Okay, so these big signs are usually 14, so they're on clearance for 50% off. So I'm not going to get them though. Oh, wow. Okay, lots of other stuff I'm not really interested in. Let's just kind of move on. So I got back in the car and I got a pile of stuff back here. So my fake plant was $9. It was under $10. So I thought I went and grabbed that. Wasn't the prettiest fake plant, but I thought it was, you know, for that price. And you guys know I've been looking, I mean, I've kind of an eye on these fake plants. So, and then the garland, I got some garland. I showed you guys the pinwheels. I did end up getting some peanuts for the squirrels and some, even though I read somewhere not to give squirrels peanuts, but I know that the doves eat them. And anyway, I got sun seeds and peanuts. And then some bath towels. And I ended up getting these really simple bath towels. Hand towels. They're really hand towels just for the bathroom. I didn't get bath towels, but just hand towels. And then I got the little yard flag. And then I did get these in the kitchen area, the kitchen towels. And the thing I did get, I don't think I showed this, is I picked up a couple of these really neat indoor-outdoor serving bowls. And they're plastic. And they're solid on this side and then a nice little neutral color on that side. I think that will, I don't know, that'll complement my white sort of dishes that I have. And I got 2 big serving bowls because that's the one thing I really was lacking, is just some interesting little serving bowls for just the neutral colors, you know. And they didn't have any like 4th of July stuff. So like, or red, you know, red. So I ended up getting that. And that's my haul, y'all. So yeah, thanks for coming along and shopping with me. One thing I noticed is I needed to get out. So it was just a nice little kind of outing just to, you know, just to see what's there and pick up a couple of things. But now that I've had my little outing, I can't wait to get home. So it's like when I'm home for a few days, I just need to get out. I get out an hour or two and I can't get home fast enough. So yeah, I don't know. Maybe it's my age, maybe it's the times, but yeah, I'm going to go home now and just kind of get stuff ready. So we're going to have John's birthday party tomorrow. I already picked up a birthday cake and stuff. So I'll get some pictures and kind of share that on another vlog. But anyway, I hope you guys had a really happy 4th of July. All right, well, thank you so much for watching today and hanging out with me. I hope you're doing well. Take good care.